Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of home appliances to bring you the best 5 CU. Cuft Freezer on the market, the Igloo 5.0 CU. Cuft Chest Freezer. Whether you're meal prepping, stocking up for the winter, or just need extra space for your frozen goods, this appliance is designed to meet all your storage needs. First off, let's talk about the design. The Igloo Chest Freezer has a compact yet spacious layout. That makes it a perfect fit for any home, whether you're in a small apartment or roomy house. Its clean, white exterior blends seamlessly with most kitchen decors. This freezer not only adds functionality but also style to your kitchen space. Now, let's take a peek inside. One of the standout features of the Igloo Chest Freezer is its generous storage capacity. At 5.0 cubic feet, you'll find plenty of room for all your frozen foods. The chest-style design enables you to stack items in an organized manner, giving you easy access to everything from frozen vegetables to that last slice of pizza you stashed away. The removable storage basket also allows for quick retrieval of smaller items, so you won't be digging through a mountain of food. Speaking of functionality, the Igloo freezer is built with energy efficiency in mind. It runs quietly and keeps your food perfectly frozen, even when the temperature rises outside. This can mean significant savings on your electricity bill over time. Whether you're a meal prepper or frequently buy in bulk, having an extra freezer can save you time and money. Imagine being able to buy your favorite meats or veggies in bulk when they're on sale, and knowing you have the space to keep them for months. The Igloo 5.0 CU Cuft Freezer allows you to do just that. Installation is super straightforward as well. This appliance doesn't require complex setup processes. Simply plug it in, adjust the temperature control to your desired setting, and you're good to go. Plus, with the adjustable thermostat control, you can maintain the perfect temperature for different types of foods. When it comes to cleaning, the Igloo Chest Freezer is designed for convenience. Simply wipe down the interior with a damp cloth and some mild detergent to keep it looking fresh and clean. Easy peasy. In conclusion, if you're on the lookout for the best 5 CU. Cuft Freezer, the Igloo 5.0 CU. Cuft Chest Freezer definitely deserves your consideration. Its spacious design, energy efficiency, and ease of use make it a fantastic addition to any home. With this appliance, storing and organizing your frozen food has never been easier. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique today. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing product reviews. Until next time, happy freezing!